The GoHawk Bluetooth Motorcycle Speakers deliver surprisingly full, clear sound for their size, making music and radio easy to hear over typical riding noise. The integrated Bluetooth, auxiliary input, USB music playback, and built-in FM tuner give riders several reliable ways to listen without juggling extra gadgets. Its weather-resistant construction and sturdy aluminum housing hold up well to rain and road grime, so you can leave the system mounted without worrying about every cloud. The long one-piece bar design with adjustable clamps fits a wide range of standard handlebars and allows you to angle the speakers so the sound is directed right where you want it. Bright white light-emitting diode accents along the bar add visibility and a bit of custom style, especially on evening or early morning rides. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included wiring harness and handlebar hardware, so most riders with basic tools can get it mounted and playing in a single afternoon.